Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their Power BI reports with an interactive numeric range slicer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to let your users filter data visually, say by sales amount, age, or quantity, all with a simple slider. It's an easy but powerful upgrade that can make your dashboards way more user-friendly, so let's jump right in and see how it's done. First, open up Power BI. You can use either the desktop or the web version, whichever you're most comfortable with. Just make sure you've got the report or dataset open that you want to work with. If this is your first time, don't worry, getting started is pretty intuitive, and I'll walk you through each step. To create a numeric range slicer, you do need at least one numeric field in your data model. Think of things like sales amount, price, quantity, or age, basically, any data column that consists of numbers rather than text or categories. Why does it need to be numeric? Because the range slicer lets users pick anything within a minimum and maximum value, and that simply wouldn't make sense with words or labels. For example, you wouldn't create a number line between red and blue, but you can easily create one between $100 and $5,000. Now, what if you're looking at your data and you realize the field you want isn't actually numeric? Maybe quantity imported as text or price was formatted oddly. Don't panic. This is more common than you might think, especially if your data comes from spreadsheets. In that case, you'll need to convert your field into a number. You can do this either inside Power Query by changing the data type of the column, or if you need a little more flexibility, you can create a new calculated column in your data model using DAX. Both approaches let Power BI recognize your field as a number so that the slicer works properly. If you ever get stuck here, just pause the video and double-check your column formatting. Taking a moment now can save you a lot of confusion later. Alright, once you've got your numeric field ready, look over to the Visualizations pane on the right side of Power BI. Find the little icon that looks like a filter or funnel. This is the slicer visual. Click that and you'll see a blank box appear on your report canvas. This is your interactive filter waiting to be set up. Now all you need to do is add your numeric field to the slicer. For example, let's use quantity. Just drag the quantity field from your data fields list and drop it into the slicer's field area. Instantly, you'll notice that the slicer transforms into a range slider, letting your users pick the minimum and maximum values they want to see in your visuals below. Slide it back and forth and watch your charts update in real time. It's that easy. You can use this same process for any numeric field you want to filter by, and just like that, you've set up a numeric range slicer. It really is as simple as a couple of clicks, but it can make a world of difference for anyone interacting with your report. They can zero in on exactly the slice of data that matters most to them, whether that's a particular age group, a sales range, or any other number-based field. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Power BI trick you'd like to see in a future video. And if you want more quick, practical tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.